Good afternoon. My name is Carolyn McLean and I am from Ponte Vedra, Florida. And I have been asked to give you an idea of my experience with Dr. Faull. When I first came here, my hearing aids, which I had had for several years, squeaked constantly, and they were worse than any other hearing aids I had had, and I've had several different types. So I just discussed that with Dr. Faull and talked about different ways to get over the problem. Dr. Faull is very conversant with all types of hearing aids, and I found that if she needed to know something, she was able to call someone at any company who she already knew and who knew her on the phone and solve a problem or ask a question. My hearing now is fine. There's no squeaking. I can hear in the movie theaters, in the cars, and yes, I would recommend Dr. Faull to my friends and family. Thank you.